This is Thursday of week 24, and I've switched to pen. 1/10 equals 0.1. That equals to 10%. And that means 1 square colored in. Doesn't matter which one you do, still 10%. Washing percent, or washing percent. A washing machine costs €250 plus 20% VAT. 20% is 1/5. 1/5 of 25 is 5, so 1/5 of 250 is €50. The total price now is going to be 250 plus 50, which is €300. Question number 3, the axes of symmetry in the hexagon. You should really use a ruler for this. What can I tell you? I'm a renegade. That's 3 of them from corner to corner, and then from center of each face, or of each side to center of the opposite side. Please use a ruler. 1/4. Double 1/4 is 1/2. Number 5, round 2.565 to 2 decimal places. You're going to look at the third decimal place, that's a 5, so that's 7. That 6 is going to become a 7, so it's 2.57. These weird ones again. Okay, right. Question 6. 132 divided by 6. You're saying that's 132 divided by 6. Yes. That's 132 over 6. Yes, I'm with you. That's the same as 120 over 6 and 12 over 6. Where are they getting that from? Well, they want 120 over 6 because they know that 120 and 6 is easily divided into 120. 120 plus 12 is 132. So this makes sense. 120 over 6 is 20. Okay. So then the 12 over 6. Well, 12 over 6 is 2, isn't it? Yes. So when you add them together, your answer is 22. I can see them maybe leaving out some of these steps before as we go along. We'll see how it goes. Question number 7, 1.8 multiplied by 0.2. Well, 18 multiplied by 2 is 36. So 1.8 multiplied by 2 is 3.6. So 1.8 multiplied by 0.2 is 0.36. Number 8, 8 2/3 plus 1 2/3 is 9 4/3. You can't leave it as 9 4/3. That's the same as 10, and 1/3. 7 kilograms and 5 grams is the same as 5 over 1,000 kilograms, which is 7.005 kilograms. Question number 10, x equals how many degrees? This is our x up here. We know that this is 90 degrees because it's got that square symbol there. That means it's a right angle. So that's 90. That's 45. The 3 of them add together have to be 180. That means that x is also 45. Question number 11. 4.273 take away 2.064. Your answer is 2.209. Right, in descending order. That's starting on the top, big number, and getting smaller. That's really weird, actually, just a completely massive number here. So the biggest one is 808. The second one is 2.5. And then the smallest is 1.8. Multiples of 4 and 6 color any matching multiples. Okay, so we'll do the multiples of 4 first. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, and 48. And the multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72. Which ones match? Which ones turn up on both pages or on both lines? 12, 24, 36, 48. So 12, 24, 36, and 48. Round 24.0786 to 3 decimal places. You look at your 4th decimal place. That's 6. Is it bigger than 5? Yes, it is. That means that 8 will become a 9. So it's 24.0. 7, 9. The angles in the parallelogram add up to 360. All four-sided shapes, all Cartesian quadrilaterals are all the same. They'll always add up to 360, and a parallelogram is a Cartesian, it's a quadrilateral. Number 16, 1 take away 0.009 is 0.991. Write the decimal, 3.24. 3.24, tricky one. Number 18, 63 divided by over 5, sorry, write it as a mixed number. So what you're going to do is what I actually was saying by accident, 63 divided by 5. How many 5s are in 63? There's 12. Remainder 3. So it's 12 and 3 over 5. Simplify the ratio, 9 to 36. How many 9s are there in 36? 4. So that's 1 is to 4. 1/8. Okay. I wanted you to remember, I don't know if you remember, talking about knowing 1/8 as well as you know 1/4. 1/4 is 0.25 or 25%. 1/8 is half of that. Well, what's half of 25? It's 12 and a half, isn't it? That's 12 and 12 is 24. Half and half is 1, so 12 and a half. 12.5% is 1/8. That means it's 0.125. Now 0.125 of a liter, if there's 1,000 milliliters in a liter, 1/8 or 0.125 of a liter is 125 milliliters. Thursday's problem solving. The minute hand rotated from 1 to 11. How many degrees of rotation? Last day we were saying that each jump is 30 and 30. Well, so that's 60 degrees. And the hour hand, here we go. Question 2. The hour hand moves from 1 to 2 in how many minutes? Well, the hour hand takes an hour, doesn't it? To get from one to the other. So that's like 60 minutes. Each mark, the minute mark, I suppose, equates to how many minutes in the hour hand. Okay, the minute hand is going faster, goes from mark to mark in 1 minute. The hour hand takes 60 minutes to cover that same amount of space. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jumps. So 5 steps to cover the same amount of time, or the same amount of space. And it's in 60 minutes. So each of those is 1/5 of 60 minutes. So that's 12 minutes for each mark.